In this video you can see how easy it was to clean the roof. I just used soap and water, no harsh chemicals up there. The brush kind of did its job with the rotating head, and it was very simple. We chose the Kobalt because we have a bunch of other tools that take the battery, and when I first started seeing the power scrubber, I really only saw Ryobi. And I was about to buy it, but we didn't have any other things that we could use the battery for, so I just happened to do some more looking, and I found that Kobalt did have one on the Lowe's website. It's not really advertised well, but it is a telescoping power scrubber. I was really impressed. It's pretty lightweight. There's really no effort into scrubbing. You just kind of hold it down and work it around, and you can see all the dirt coming up.